Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the Khabib hairstyle filter on Instagram. And then, of course, you could record a video of yourself or take a photo of yourself on Instagram and then post it to TikTok or any other social media like Snapchat. It's really easy to get this filter. All you have to do is go over to Instagram and over to your Discover page. And you want to search for UFC Russia. And you're just going to go to the official page right here for UFC Russia. Go over to the filters, and then if you scroll down, you will see the Khabib time filter right here, and then it just has his hairstyle that he wears out to the octagon. Really cool filter. Of course, you can try it out here, or you can download it and save it to your camera and record your own videos with it. Very easy to do. I really hope I was able to help you guys out by getting this filter. If this helped you out, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.